We're at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, the home of the Indianapolis 500. And today, we're here to attend the Brickyard Vintage Racing Invitational. Every year, the Speedway puts on a weekend where a number of racers can come in with their vintage cars and take to the track. There's all kinds of classes. There are several car classes, and right now we're on a grid walk going through one of the older series.
Hi. A little bit. How are we doing?
How are you guys doing?
Pretty good. A good time?
Yeah, you enjoying the day?
Yep.
Good.
Pretty sweet rig.
It's fun. I like it. Nice it was just a little cooler.
It would be nice, yeah. Bad day at the Speedway still beats most days.
Absolutely. Yes, indeed.
Challenge.
Okay, if man walks over, folks, we need to find an exit way.
Hey guys, since we're here, we might as well kiss the bricks. This is the winner's circle. On race day, they actually elevate the car to the top so that everybody can see it. Don't text and drive. Oh man, they're going for it. Oh! That was so cool. We're back in the garage now, checking out some old cars. A couple of these things actually ran into the Indianapolis 500. said it finished 8th. The thing I can't get over about these cars is how thin their tires were. Think about it, they're driving on the bricks, and they've got little bicycle tires. Meanwhile, the racing goes on. It's kind of cool, we got to see some stock cars run on the road course. Sure make a lot of noise. Joe Nemechek ended up winning this thing. He used to be known as Front Row Joe. Alright guys, this is pretty cool. The car in the pole position here is actually a champ car. Watch this thing launch. Unfortunately, it didn't get very far. It was really, really hot this day. And the driver of this car, I believe, was actually an 80-year-old. Who owns a car. So they towed it back to the garage area. Now it's time for the real stars of the show. The guys who start these cars. And if you think a 1911 car is intense, wait till you see the drivers. I can only imagine that if cars could talk, what that BMW is thinking right now. No seatbelts in these guys. Goodness, the suspension. They even lined them up 3 wide. Now, if they went to the first race, I believe they're actually lined up 5 wide.
Both factory racers in 1909. Company building cylinders and building in 1902.
So I timed it. They ran about 2 minutes 20 seconds per lap, which is around 70 miles an hour or so. I believe the first race they averaged about 76 miles an hour, so that's about right.
Unusual ones is a 1960 Sturtevant supercharged. The world's largest industrial fan manufacturer. When the First World War broke out, 3.9 liter overhead valve, 27 horsepower power plant.
That guy's having a problem.
Buick has a long list of participation in auto racing. Racing in 1909 fielded cars driven by the likes of Lee Chevrolet and Bob Berman, winning trophies for the very first race at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Arthur C. Newby was one of the founders.
Man, there's just something so cool about watching these cars run around the oval at this speedway. That one right there ran the first Indianapolis 500.
The new form of balanced crankshaft designed by the Hudson engineers. They had really no racing aspirations for the car, but they were very They tried for a 24-hour record at Sheep's Bay, New York with the same car. Covered 1,819 miles. Finally, the number 33 Maroon is a 1920 Duesenberg. Straight 8-cylinder is just about all the Duesenbergs were. Driver. Dick DeLuna is the owner of the Hall Scott, beautiful silver body, number 9. National Indy Racer, number 20, Frank Suth, racing driver. He also owned the Packard in 1912. These are the foundation pieces which we all aspire to as fans of fast motor cars. This is what constituted a fast motor car back in the day. Of course, the riding mechanic was Daddyo at that time. This mechanic not only was there to provide visibility for the driver, as he was the sort of the eyes of the driver over the back of the car. Also responsible for maintaining.
This was so much fun. Till the next video, make it a great one. It's your choice.